Hello traders, welcome back to this new video of pre-market analysis for 23rd of December, and the day will be Friday. So today the market was almost sideways. Today the market was almost sideways. The market has opened almost flat and it has come down in Nifty 50 and in Bank Nifty. As we can see that the market has opened a little bit around, we can say this is it opens flat and it stays moreover like sideways in the range of 42,800 to 42,000, around 200 level. So almost the market was sideways, so option sellers will be earning a lot. As yesterday we have mentioned that this will be the particular option sellers can hedge their position so that they can get their positions, because most of the time after a big trending, the next day is likely to get a sideways. So tomorrow again I'm expecting a sideways to a volatile market during this inside this range, because in Monday or Tuesday in the upcoming days I'm expecting another trend. So moreover, tomorrow is Friday. If the market is very trending, then it will be very trending, and if the market is volatile, then the market will be very volatile. So in the starting almost like 3-4 candles, we can identify that whether the market will be trending or not in Friday for tomorrow. So I'm expecting a sideways to volatile market, and we have sent Adani Ports, BPCL and Tata Motors. So okay, I'll show you in this Telegram channel. So in Adani Ports, in sell side the first target is achieved, and in BPL side all the targets are achieved, first, second and third, and even in Tata Motors all the sell side targets are achieved. First target is achieved, second and third, so all the targets are achieved. And if you guys are interested, you can watch my pre-market analysis video, as I have been uploading videos. In this video you can find market updates and market tips, and you can even analyze the market by looking this pre-market analysis. So it will be very helpful for the beginners, so you can start watching all these videos. Okay, now let's start analyzing for Nifty 50, Nifty Bank and some other stocks. So in Nifty 50, what we are going to do first we have to mark the support and resistance. Where are the more buyer, where are the most sellers? So we have to identify those levels so that we can plan for the next day. So what is the particular support and resistance in Nifty 50? In Nifty 50 we can find that 18,180 acts as a strong resistance, and 18,000 around 60 level it will act as a strong support. So this is a strong support and this is a strong resistance. So what is the plan for tomorrow? If Nifty 50 opens flat, then it might be volatile or sideways in this particular range. So what is the particular range? 18,200 and in below 18,050. So inside this the market will be sideways and very volatile. So 18,200 to 18,050, this place is no trading zone for me. So inside this I won't be trading any in bullish position as well as bearish position. So I'll be waiting for this to break out. So tomorrow I'm expecting this to go sideways to volatile market, and in the upcoming days, if it gives a proper breakout upside or downside, then we'll be getting a good trend. So tomorrow if it opens flat, and if it's then if it will be likely to stay inside this range, then if it opens a gap up around 18,300 level, okay, around this level 18,300 to 18,300, then if it comes above and if it starts giving a proper closing above this swing high level, that is 18,320, we will be planning for bullish momentum, and the momentum will be very slow and steady. So once it gives a proper closing above 18,320, we will be planning for upside momentum by keeping a 25-point stop loss, and we can target around 100 to 120 points, but the momentum will be very slow. And what if it opens gap up and starts giving a bearish price action? So if it opens a gap up and starts giving a bearish price action here, then according to the price action we are going to sell with half quantity. So until and unless it opens a flat, and until and unless it gives a proper breakout in this level, we are not going to take position. So once it gives a proper breakout from here, we are going to trade in that case. So now what happens if Nifty opens a big gap down, like let's say around 17,900 in this level? Okay, if Nifty opens big gap down like 18,000, 960, 950 in this level, then what we are going to do is according to the price action, let's say it opens here, then if it makes a proper price action, then we are going to sell if we see particular kind of price action. Else we are going to target for profit booking, because if Nifty 50 opens a big gap down like this, then after making a bearish candle, if it cannot go downwards, then there will be a bullish candle above this, like 18,000, above 18,000. If you see any green color candle closing, then we can target for profit booking. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty 50. Our plan will be, if it opens flat, then it should give a proper breakout above 18,200 and below 18,050. So it should give a proper breakout. And if it opens gap up, then what we are going to do is we have to wait for this particular level. If it opens gap up and if it gives a green color candle closing, then we are going to target for upside, else profit booking according to the price action. If it gives a proper breakdown, then below 18,000 or 17,950, we can, if we see some bearish price action, then we are going to sell downwards, and else we are going to target for profit booking, that is upside. Okay, so now let's analyze for Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank, it's very simple, because today the market has given almost sideways to trending market in the morning session, and in the afternoon session it was almost sideways to volatile. So okay, so we can see a strong support and resistance at the level of 42,640, and in the below it's like 42,220. So this will act as another resistance and support. So what we are going to plan for tomorrow, if the market opens flat, same as Nifty, inside this we are not going to take any position. So what is the point? The point is 42,200 to 42,700. So inside this we are going to wait for a breakout, and inside this we are not going to take any position, because inside this level we are not going to trade, because inside this range there will be lots of volatility, as well as the market will be very sideways. So inside this we are not going to trade, and we have to wait out for this level 42,200 and 42,200 to 42,700. So if it gives a proper closing above 42,700, then if it gives a proper breakout, we are going to target for upside momentum just by keeping 40 to 50 point stop loss, and our target will be 150 to 200 points upside, 42,700. This will be a breakout zone, remember traders, because tomorrow it might be sideways to volatile, and who knows if it gives a breakout above this. So until and unless it gives a proper breakout, don't try to trade inside this above 42,700 or below 42,200. If it gives a proper breakout in 5 minutes, upside is 15 minutes and below is 5 minutes. So if it gives a proper breakout, then we are going to target in both sides. Both sides we can target for 150 to 200 points. Let's imagine if Bank Nifty opens a big gap up around 42,600, in this level around 42,600, then this level will act as a strong support again, this 42,600, and above this is if we can see any bullish price action, that is like this. So if we can see any something like this pattern, then we can start trading from here, and our target will be upside around 150 to 200 points. And if it opens a big gap down like 42,000 and 42,100 in this level, we are going to trade in profit booking, because if the market opens a gap down and if we see a bullish candle in the below, then we are going to target for profit booking. Else what we have to do is we have to wait for 42,000 level to give a breakout. So below this we are going to sell aggressively. We are going to do scalping for like 100 points, and if it goes down, then we will be trading, we'll be putting another quantity, we'll be adding some more quantity below 41,900. So 41,900 is a crucial level. Below this 41,900 we can start selling with full quantity. Now let's analyze from some stocks. So the first stocks will be I'm going to analyze some stock. The first stock will be BPCL, and the second stock will be UPL, and the third stock will be Axis Bank. So So in UPL, what we are going to do is we can see some pattern over here. So it has given a downtrend and now it is giving a sideways. So anything above this, it will go upside, and anything below this, it's going to go downwards. So anything upside this will be calling as, what is that, bullish reversal pattern, and below this it will be bearish continuation pattern. So how we can trade in this level? So after this breakout, we are going to trade in upside as well as downside. So in UPL, what we're going to do is we'll be buying at 723 above this levels, 733. So our buy point will be 733. Our stop loss will be 729. We'll be keeping a stop loss of 729, and our target will be 736, 740 and 744. So this will be our target. So what we are going to do, we are going to buy at 733. We are going to put stop loss at 729. Our first target will be 736. Our second target will be 740, and our third target will be 744 in buying side. So how are we going to sell? Our selling side will be 726. We'll be starting selling at 726, and our stop loss will be 730, and our target will be, first target will be 722, and our second target will be 718, and our third target will be 714 in selling side. So this is how we are going to plan in UPL. In BPCL, okay, in BPCL, what we can see is we can see a proper pattern inside this. So this is a pattern over here. So this is the resistance, and this is the support. So below this I can see another support over here. So what is the plan of action for Bharat Petroleum? So okay, so above 331 we are going to start buying at 331, and our stop loss will be 329, and our first target will be 333 at this level, 333. Our second target will be 335, and our third target will be 337. So this will be our first target, second target, and third target in buying side. And in selling side, we can start selling at 323. Our stop loss will be 325. Our first target will be 321, 319, and our third target will be 317. So this is how we are going to plan in selling side in Bharat Petroleum, because we can see a support and resistance here. This will act as a support, and this will act as a resistance. So above this will plan for buying, and below this will plan for selling. And in Axis Bank, we can see that, okay, so in Axis Bank we can see a perfect pattern over here. So this will act as a resistance, and this will act as a support. So above this and below this, we are going to see a good momentum over here. So this is a very good this will be acting as a good trade. So we can start buying from 925. So 925 is the buying area, and stop loss will be 921, and our target will be 929 first target, and our second target will be 933, and our third target will be 937. This is how we are going to plan in buying side. And in selling side, what we are going to do is we are going to sell at 912, and our stop loss will be 916, and our first target will be 908, second target will be 904, and third target will be 900. So this will be our target. So 908 is our first target, 904 is our second target, and 900 will be our third target. This is how we are going to plan in selling side and buying side in Axis Bank. So if this video was helpful to you, click on like, subscribe, and share the video.